Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Team Stacy, and today we are going to be reviewing and installing this beautiful highlight unit that was sent to me by Wiggins. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so like I told you guys, this hair was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. This is what the packaging looks like, and it comes with the standard gifts like a wig cap, edge brush, and a lace band. This is what the unit looks like. It is a 13x4, and honey, it is a true 13x4. Full lace in the front, and this is the color. This is their P4613. So this wig just was giving, and I'm super excited to install this hair. So two things that I want to say off rip. One, please ignore my voice. I am coming off of like a little cold right now, so like my voice sounds like a little bit nasally, so just excuse that. And then also, very important thing, if you are shopping with Wiggins Hair, please size up with your wigs. I typically range about the medium cap size, but the medium was a little too small for me. So if you are about a medium-ish, like on the larger side, go for a large. If you typically go for a small, go for a medium. Definitely keep that in mind. I had my experience and I learned, but besides that, we're going to get into this install. So as you guys can see, we have my wig cap going. I did go ahead, cut out my ear tabs, and then I sprayed it down with the even lace spray, the black can. And while that dried down, now I'm going to go ahead and just take my Fit Me press powder. And this is just to give us more of a baldy effect. I am not the best at bald caps, but I get the job done. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get the job done. Alrighty guys, so as you guys see, I'm just taking these dull schoolgirl scissors and I'm just cutting off the excess cap. I think I'm going to practice doing better my wig caps. I do like whatever I do because it gets the job done, but I feel like I could go a little harder. I could make it look a little better. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and cut off the edges. We're cutting right next to our hairline because we want to protect the hair as well. Alright guys, so after that, we're going to go ahead and just take that same pressed powder, and I'm just going to put that all over the lace just to make sure everything looks super scalpiana. I'm taking my 91% alcohol and I'll go ahead and clean my forehead off camera. And now I'm just putting the wig on just to size everything, making sure that too much cap is not exposed, just so I know if I need to cut further back or not. But after I have everything placed how I want it, it's sitting perfectly fine and no cap is exposed. So next up, we're going to flip that wig back and we're going to take my favorite glue. This is the Ghost Bond glue, the classic one. And I'm just going to go ahead and just start laying these layers down. As you guys see, I'm taking a small thin layer and we're just stretching it out the perimeter of my head. And then we'll go ahead and smooth it down with a flat little, cardboard piece. I would like to get to know. Next up, we're going to go ahead and take a blow dryer and just blow dry this glue on a cool setting. So important to blow dry your hair in a cool setting. I just feel like it helps with the meltdown process. So definitely keep that in mind. For me, I didn't want to keep this wig on for too long, so I'm going to go ahead and do 3 layers. But you can go to as many layers as you need. Personally, I guess you don't really want to exceed about 4 to 6, I guess. 6 is like really pushing it, because you don't want it to be too gunky, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2 layers today, and like I said, I blow dried it on a cool setting. Now that we have the glue nice and clear, we're gonna go ahead and just push this lace right into the glue. Once I have it sitting where I want it to sit, then I'll start pushing it in. You don't want to push too early just in case you have to like re-lift anything up, but I'm just pulling her all the way down. Keep in mind, this unit that I have is the large one, so definitely just peep the size of my head. If I'm not mistaken, when I measure my head, I think I'm about 23 inches, somewhere around that ballpark. So if you are in that ballpark, get a large size wig. But here, before we do too much pressing down, I'm cutting out the excess like ear sides so my ears are not covered. So after we have everything placed where we wanted to, I'm just going to go ahead and take my comb and my blow dryer on a cool setting, and we're just pushing the lace into the glue and not the hair. And this is what's going to give us that fresh out the scalp look. And with my elastic band, I left it on for 10 minutes. Within those 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take my hot comb and hot comb the hair. Now guys, I'm in love with this hair. As you guys can see, this color is beautiful. Everything about this hair is wonderful. The only thing I need to let you guys know, if you are going to shop with Wiggins, this wig in particular does not get super flat. If you guys watch all my install videos, I am so adamant about my hair getting flat, and this wig just doesn't do it. It kind of gives more of a boxier vibe rather than a very flat, sleek vibe. So if you like voluminous hair, if you like your wigs to stay very, very, just voluminous, even if it's straight, then this wig is for you. But if you are not someone like that, if you like your wigs to be very, very flat, keep that in mind with this unit. I never flat ironed a wig so much in my life to try to get it as flat as I wanted it to get. It got semi-flat, but not as flat as I personally opt for. So like I said, just keep that in mind when you're purchasing this unit from Wiggins. But anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and cut this lace off. As you guys can see, the lace is pretty much blended into my skin. You can't really see the difference between my skin and the lace, which is a great thing. We love that. Now I'm putting just a little bit more even lace spray. This is what's going to help finalize the meltdown and make the lace really seep into my skin. So we're just taking a little bit of that spray, and I'm making sure the edges are not too crunchy, because that definitely can happen. But we're just making sure everything is nice and laid down. So what I'm doing here, we're just going to go ahead and flatten the hair. This unit already was sent to me straight, so I'm just, reinforcing that and making sure the hair looks bone straight. So here I'm just prepping my edges. I'm not doing anything too crazy. We're just cutting the edges at an angle. I do 2 edges, one in the front and one as my sideburns. So with this unit, guys, I love the hair texture. The hair texture was very, very nice. It, I didn't curl it, so I'll probably wear the unit again and update you guys on how it curls. But as a straight look, it is super duper cute. I wore it out to eat, and I feel like I looked gorgeous. I really liked it. As you guys can see, the edges just went right into place where they needed to go, which I love that. I hate when I have to fight with the edge, and I didn't have to do that with this hair. So like I said, guys, the only thing that I can say about this hair is that the hair does not get as flat as I like it, but that is only personal preference. If someone likes voluminous hair, then this hair is definitely going to be for you. Also, just keep in mind, it's not a bad thing. It's just something that you need to know. Size up with this unit. But besides that, I love the hair. There was not much I can say that I didn't like about the hair. I really did like it. I'm just doing some calm edges, nothing too bold. I feel like these are like medium edges, like right in the center of boldness and really like calm edges. But I know that somebody else are like, girl, this is dramatic. This is some dramatic edges. But I did go ahead and just I'm going to spray my edges with some even lace spray just to really have them hold into place. And then I did my other side of edges off camera. If you guys want an edge tutorial, definitely comment that down below and I can do that for you. Alright guys, so next up I'm taking my foundation. The foundation that I'm using is the NARS Radiant Foundation, and this is in color Tahoe, and I was just using that to define my part. You can use a powder, but personally I like to use a liquid foundation, and we are just getting that part nice and defined. And then after that, we're going to take some of this edge control. This is the She's Bomb edge control, and I'm just trying one more time to get my hair flat, girl. I put so much of that edge control at the top, and I just use edge control in replacement of a wax stick. And I'm taking my hot comb at 450 degrees, and we are just trying to get this wig to be nice and flat. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. Today I wanted to show you guys me install this hair and let you guys know my honest opinion. So like I said in the video, the only thing that is a personal thing that I'm not a fan of is the fact that this hair does not get flat. It just kind of stays very poofy. So if you like voluminous hair, then this hair is something that you'll probably go for. If you're looking for straight voluminous hair, but you guys know I like my hair to be very, very sleek. So the best way to combat that is I had to wear it behind my ear, so it kind of like has a reason to have like so much volume at the top. But besides that, you know, like I said, the hair is very, very silky. The hair has a gorgeous color. It looks super, super pretty. It looks super, you know, high class, you know, expensive, but it is affordable. So I really, really like that. If you are interested in purchasing this hair, all the information will be down below in the description box with some promo codes and some links and all that good stuff. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I'm sorry if my energy's a little down, y'all. I just came back from going out, so I had to close the video. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.